G'day Melbourne, Sash from CRYPTOLOGIC here, and today we're diving into the wild world of Bitcoin right here in our own backyard. If you have been hearing the buzz about crypto in 2025, you're not alone. Bitcoin's smashing records, and Melbourne's right at the heart of it, this global revolution. I'm doing my favorite thing for the day, my daily walk, and I thought I'll reach out to you. So grab yourself a cappuccino, get comfy, and let's unpack the latest Bitcoin news, from price surges to local innovations, all in Aussie dollars. Plus, we'll tie in what's happening globally and what it means for us Melburnians. Ready? Let's go. First up, the numbers everyone is talking about. Bitcoin's price. As of today, August the 3rd, 2025, what Bitcoin is worth 175,237 Australian dollars. That's according to Coinbase Australia. Just a week ago, it hit 180,000 bucks, and back on July 14th, it peaked at $122,979. Massive 42% jump since then. Imagine this: if you had chucked 10 grand into the Bitcoin at the start of 2023, when it was around $25,754, you'd be sitting on $68,000 today. Not too shabby, right? But here's the catch. Bitcoin's volatile. It's down 4% this week alone. Globally, experts are bullish, predicting Bitcoin could hit $223,233 by year end, with some saying it might even touch $384,615. Looking further out, Finder's panel of crypto gurus sees it climbing to $704,938 by 2030. And get this, a whopping $1.5 million by 2035. Wow. For us in Melbourne, that's a huge opportunity, but it's not without risks, obviously. So what's driving this? Let's zoom out globally for a sec. Donald Trump's re-election last November lit a fire under Bitcoin. His promise to make the US the crypto capital of the planet sent prices soaring to $118,650 overnight. That is US. Big players like Strategy, a company that snapped up 21,000 Bitcoins for $3.68 billion, just are jumping in. Geopolitical chaos like the Israel-Iran conflict has people seeing Bitcoin as a digital gold, a hedge against inflation. Here in Melbourne, that's relevant because our Aussie dollars taken a hit from Trump's tariffs threats, like 35% on Canadian imports. Bitcoin could be a way to protect your wealth. Now, let's bring it home to Melbourne. Our city is becoming a crypto hub, and Bitcoin is leading the charge. Did you know Australia is the fastest growing market for Bitcoin ATMs? We've got nearly 1,200 nationwide, with heaps in Melbourne. Think St Kilda, CBD, even Brunswick. These machines let you swap cash for Bitcoin or the other way around, though fees can sting at 6 to 14%. CoinFlip and Bitcoin Depot are big players here, but the tax office is watching closely for dodgy transactions. And here's the game changer. Melbourne's own Monochrome Asset Management launched Australia's first Bitcoin ETF last year, called IBTC, on the CBOE Australia Exchange. Unlike older ETFs, this one actually holds Bitcoin. So you can invest through your super or brokerage account without messing with digital wallets. It's perfect for Collins Street traders or anyone wanting a piece of the action with less hassle. But heads up, Bitcoin's ups and downs mean you've got to be ready for a wild ride. Speaking of risks, let's talk regulations. Back in 2015, our big four banks, Commonwealth, Westpac, ANZ, NAB, shut down accounts for most Bitcoin exchanges worried about crime links. That made it tough for Melbournians to cash out. Things are better now, but banks still limit crypto transaction, pushing some to ATMs or offshore platforms. On the bright side, a 2015 government push to ditch sales tax on Bitcoin buyers shows a pro-crypto vibe. Austrac keeps exchanges in check, which means safer trading, but more paperwork for you. Oh, and scams? Yep, they're real, guys. They are real. In 2023, Aussies lost $221 million to crypto scams, with average victim out $56,600. That's steep, I think. So, whether you're in Fitzroy or South Bank, do your homework before diving in. What else is cooking in Melbourne's crypto scene? Local exchanges like Independent Reserve are seeing crazy trading volumes, 84,000 buyers in a single day last month. You've got cafés in Fitzroy taking Bitcoin. Co-working spaces in Richmond buzzing with crypto startups. Even quantum blockchain technologies is testing AI-driven Bitcoin mining here, which could make mining cheaper for locals. Globally, there's a shadow on the horizon: quantum computing. That always comes up. Some experts reckon it could crack Bitcoin's encryption in 5 years. Half of Finder's panel says the crypto community isn't ready, but Melbourne's tech scene is already tinkering around with quantum resisting fixes. So, what's the plan for Melbourne? Short term, Bitcoin might dip. City index says it's way overbought. But with strong global demand and Bitcoin's fixed 21 million supply, prices could hit $230,769 this year. Long term, the 2028 halving will tighten supply, likely pushing prices higher. So get in before that. For businesses, accepting Bitcoin could draw tech-savvy customers, but you'll need to manage volatility. Platforms like Coinbase make converting to Aussie dollars easy, though watch out for capital gains tax. Melbourne's crypto market is set to boom to $82.59 billion in 2024 to $228.25 billion by 2034. Whether you're a trader in the CBD or just curious in Collingwood, now is the time to get smart about Bitcoin. Guys, do your research, talk to a financial advisor, and maybe take a punt on the future of money, Melbourne style. That's it for today's deep dive. If you love this, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Have you invested in Bitcoin? Or are you just watching from the sidelines? Guys, stay savvy. Melbourne, I'll catch you next time. A bit of a disclaimer, crypto is risky, folks. Past performance isn't a promise of future gains. Always get professional advice before investing. cheers for now. Oh, and don't forget to visit us at cryptologic.com.au.